Peace, family. Hope all is well. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about using, the affidavit of reservation of rights under UCC 1-308 while in court. Okay, now in this scenario, let's just say that you have to appear in court due to a ticket that you've signed in the manner that we have spoken about. This is where you have to go and actually assert your rights, to the judge. Gonna be using my phenomenal acting skills in order to enact this for you guys. That way you can have some tips and some pointers on how to address the situation as well as approach it with confidence. But first, a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. If you are seeking financial or legal advice, I highly encourage you to seek legal or financial counsel immediately. Let's get into it. Story time. The courtroom is nothing to fear, family, as long as you know how to approach it, how to assert your rights, and what they are. And as the plaintiff, family, under UCC 1-308, this is how you approach. Mr. Brown, you're here for a traffic violation. How do you plead? Your Honor, before proceeding, I would like to clarify my status. I appear today under duress and without waiving any of my rights, as preserved in my reservation of rights under UCC 1-308. I request this affidavit be entered into the court record. Okay, noted. How do you respond to the charge of speeding? Your Honor, I respectfully challenge the jurisdiction of this court to enforce a contract to which I have not consented. The ticket presented constitutes an offer to contract, which I did not agree to. I respectfully request the prosecution provide evidence of a valid contract between myself and the issuing officer that establishes jurisdiction over me. Without such evidence, I move for this case to be dismissed. Can the prosecution provide sufficient evidence? If that's not the case, Mr. Brown, do you have anything else to say before I rule on this case? Your Honor, I have acted in good faith to assert my rights and challenge any presumptions of jurisdiction. Without evidence of a valid contract or lawful cause, I respectfully request this case be dismissed with prejudice. I see you come prepared, Mr. Brown. Motion granted. Case dismissed. Thank you, Your Honor. There you go, family. I'll get my Oscar yet. All right, family, and once again, go through that scenario as many times as you need to in order to get comfortable if you are going to be appearing in court soon for any traffic tickets, As long as you have prepared your documentation properly for that particular situation, ensuring your affidavit is notarized and ready for submission. All right, make sure that you challenge jurisdiction respectfully. Always question the authority of the court without hostility, Request evidence. Ask for proof of a valid contract or lawful cause, due to the stop. And finally, remain calm, A professional demeanor strengthens your credibility, all right? And as you can see here, a template of the affidavit will be available on Patreon, all right? You'll see this same video on my Patreon where the link is in the bio. You can click on it, become a member for free, all right, to go through this material and get the templates. And whenever you're ready to become members of the Grown Academy, as well as students of the Grown Academy, those tiers are available to you. And there's videos in there that explains exactly how the Academy works, or you can simply type interested down here in the comment section below. Don't forget to comment, like, and follow this particular page here, family. And if you do go to the Patreon, it is a plethora of knowledge. Hours long worth of content with collections set for you to learn many things, like learning how to construct an affidavit, so that you can perfect your evidence. Therefore, when you have your perfected evidence, you can now start to work on a legal claim, with perfected evidence. Just love this as administration, Because once it clicks, you're able to go through all of these avenues, in grace. Understanding the structure of the courts, respecting the jurisdiction and the type of laws that you choose. Once you unravel this labyrinth, that they veil over our eyes, it will open you up to a whole brand new perspective, to how you can embark in commerce and prosper in life. So, family, all in all, I hope this helps. I love you guys. Peace.